In this segment, we're going to be installing lights on our bike. The front light is required by law in Fort Collins, and a rear reflector is required when riding at night. To make it even safer, you can choose a rear light. Here is a list of the bike light and reflector rules provided by state and local government. These same rules are enforced all over Colorado State University's campus, so make sure that you abide by these rules. So, there are many different kinds of lights. There are battery powered, there are rechargeable, and some that even run off the drivetrain's power. But this one is just a simple battery light which will allow drivers to see you when you are in front of them. First, take your light. There's an elastic band with a clip. Take the other elastic side and fit that into the clip. Now, your rear light is mounted. So now, we will attach the front light, which has a very similar system to the rear one we used. You always want to make sure that your white light is in the front, like a car, and your red is the rear light, like a car. Hold the light there, reach around, use the elastic band, and attach your light.